how to turn your space into a work of art, where to find inspiration if you are bored with your interior and can't come up with any new ideas. We have collected all the most exciting things from the world of design, interiors, trends and brands that will surprise you. My name is Nastya Kovalova and this is a design tour. Let's begin. Here's what's on today. An exclusive event and presentation by Italian brand Antoniolupi, brought to you by Futura Casa, held at the awesome Whale Bar. When Italian chic meets Baku hospitality, the result is an event that is too good to miss. The presentation of the Antoniolupi factory is exactly that kind of event. Let's find out how the brand inspires us right now. The spring season in Baku will be marked by an exclusive event, a presentation of the Italian brand Antoniolupi by Futura Casa, where the professional audience had the opportunity to learn about the brand's philosophy and be the first to find out about the new products presented at iSaloni 2025. Today we will talk about the philosophy, unique characteristics and design of Antoniolupi. In addition, we will present our designers and architects such new products for 2025 as Neolitico and Anima Liquida. We would also like to emphasize that Antoniolupi is not only about bathrooms, but also beds, sofas and other types of furniture necessary for residential spaces. Antoniolupi is one of my favorite brands. The company is a true innovator among Italian brands, introducing new ideas and concepts. I appreciate this approach. Today's close introduction to Antoniolupi is a wonderful opportunity for us. One of Antoniolupi's new products is a sink by Giorgio Rava. These sinks truly have an exclusive look and a unique water supply system. In general, Antoniolupi collaborates with many designers, including Giorgio Rava, and that's why I would say that this is an ideal chic brand. Antoniolupi's clients are definitely connoisseurs who appreciate laconic minimalism, with natural motifs, with regular geometric shapes or conversely with super abstract shapes. But these are definitely people with refined taste and a sense of style. And it seems to me that clients who choose Antoniolupi a priori already get a very appealing interior with its elements. There are a number of features that distinguish Antoniolupi from other companies. These include, of course, their ability to create unique works of art. This is not just furniture, but unique pieces that are functional, adding beauty to any design. The main feature that sets Antoniolupi apart from other brands is its policy of giving customers the opportunity to stand out from the crowd, as you can customize any model according to your preferences, both in terms of material and size. This, of course, forms its DNA, its essence, so to speak.
It's an amazing brand, Antoniolupi. I really like it, and I think that it's very hard nowadays to find an amazing finish with finished touches. And I'm really honored that it's here in Azerbaijan now today. And I would be very happy to work with Antoniolupi.
I have always been amazed at how beautifully they combine design philosophy with technology. It's not just design, everything is thought out to the smallest detail, especially their incredible material, where you can't find any repetition. I'm delighted and grateful to Design Tour for inviting me and introducing me to these trends and innovations. The presentation and introduction to the Antoniolupi brand by Futura Casa was hosted by Günay Verdieva in an incredible location, the innovative space of Well Bar. Today's presentation was impressive as always. First of all, the location you chose is excellent, and all the new products are remarkable as always. They give us ideas for our future projects. The event had a really warm atmosphere with lots of insights, chatting and clear prospects for more successful cooperation with a truly unique brand Antoniolupi. Ideas, aesthetics and the light aroma of Italian design. Antoniolupi's evening was stylish and inspiring, which means that very soon Baku's interiors will have even more beauty, light and design finds. Well Bar's creator Elvin Asim spoke about the space which left no one among the evening's guests indifferent. This is our studio office, which I created for us, for my team. The thing is, the whole story is based on a very deep philosophy. Basically, every element in this office, every detail has some kind of foundation, some kind of symbolism and serving a purpose. This space was designed for creative work. It was created so that something new could be produced here. And it doesn't necessarily have to be us. It doesn't have to be our team. A lot of different people come here, friends with ideas that we work on, we think on everything through, and we move forward. Some ideas are refined, some ideas are changed, some ideas we see as perfect from the start, so we just need to put some energy into them and make them happen. The unique space is based on a philosophy of openness. The architect allowed himself to experiment and fully realized his concept. The space, when I took it, there were 5 rooms here and 3 bathrooms. 3 rooms were small, without light, enclosed. I spent a long time thinking about how it could be reorganized, because I believe that the layout is the foundation of everything, and at some point I came to the conclusion that it just needed to be opened up. I needed to remove all the walls that could be demolished, open up all the hallways, remove the doors, and make this space where everything is open, everything is visible, there's air, there's light. As you can see, design is not only about a beautiful picture, but also about mood, character and the courage to be yourself. May your home be inspiring, surprising and truly reflect who you are. We will be back with new ideas very soon.